welcome to this week's Cooking at Riegelmann's. Today we're in the KitchenAid kitchen. I'm joined by Chef Sandy Holt from Taste of Excellence, and she's going to show us how to make a black bean and beef chili. How do we start?
All right, first of all, what we're going to do is we're going to start off with a little canola oil. And what we're going to do is we're going to start sweating about a cup of onion.
Okay.
And a cup of Pasilla chilies. And a little bit of garlic. And we're just going to cook this until the onion becomes translucent and soft.
Sandy, that looks good.
Thank you.
Yeah.
So now what we're going to do is we're going to add a little bit of ground beef. This is about a pound of really lean ground beef. And then I'm going to add my seasoning. So I've got about a teaspoon and a half of salt I'm going to stick in there. I have a tablespoon, this is coriander,
Okay.
ground coriander. And I've got some ground cumin. And a tablespoon of chili pepper. And we're going to mix that all up until the meat is browned.
Okay. Okay, our ground beef is browned. What's next, Sandy?
All right, now we're going to put in some cooked black beans.
Okay.
And then I have about a quart of beef stock. And then I have 2 cups of stewed tomatoes that I've diced up, and I'm going to put that in with all the juices. Now we're just going to let this simmer. The last thing we're going to add is either fresh or frozen corn.
Okay.
And then the very last thing we're going to add is some chopped cilantro.
All right.
And there we go. So we're just going to bring that up to temperature, and we're just about done.
Okay, our chili is done.
So we're ready to serve. So I've got some tortilla chips in the bottom of a bowl. We're just going to put a nice big scoop in there, maybe a little bit more.
And a little bit of juice.
Yes, a little bit of the broth.
Juice.
And then I'm going to put some cheddar cheese on top.
Oh, yum.
A little bit of sour cream. And then I'm going to put some avocado on there to make it look pretty. And then a little bit of cilantro.
It looks good. We're going to take it outside and let someone try it, and we'll be right back.
Would you like to try some beef and bean chili we just made?
Sure.
Tell us what you think.
It's great.
Another success from the KitchenAid kitchen with the Taste of Excellence. You can find this recipe and many others at cookingatriegelmanns.com. Thanks for joining us from Riegelmann's in downtown Gresham. We'll see you next time.
Cooking at Riegelmann's is brought to you by Riegelmann's Appliance in downtown Gresham.